Assalamu alaikum. Welcome in Hijazi News Update. The Islamabad Chamber of Commerce and Industry and the Ethiopian Embassy in Islamabad have agreed to hold a business forum at the ICCI on April 15, 2025 to mobilize traders and investors for the single country exhibition being organized by the Ministry of Commerce and Trade Development Authority of Pakistan in Addis, Ababa. Ethiopian Forum, May 15 to May 17, 2025. The decision to this effect was taken during a meeting between HE Dr. Jemal, Beker, Abdula, especially Envoy and Ambassador Extraordinary of the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia, and Nasir Qureshi, President of ICCI, at the Islamabad Chamber of Commerce and Industry here on Monday. Both sides discussed various matters of mutual interest, including trade relations between Ethiopia and Pakistan, and also different modalities to hold a successful business forum on April 15, 2025 in the Islamabad Chamber. On the occasion, the ambassador congratulated President Qureshi on assuming the office of President ICCI and highlighted the strong connection between the Ethiopian Embassy Islamabad and ICCI, recalling their joint initiatives to strengthen trade and investment relations between the two countries. He briefed the ICCI President about extraordinary business, trade and investment opportunities in Ethiopia following the successful implementation of homegrown economic reforms in two phases undertaken by the HE Dr. Abiy Ahmed, Prime Minister of Ethiopia. The ambassador said the government of Ethiopia and the business community in the country are fully prepared to host the traders from Pakistan for the single country exhibition that is coinciding with Invest in Ethiopia 2025, a high-level business forum scheduled from May 12th to May 14th, 2025 in Addis, Ababa. Welcoming the ambassador, President Nasir Qureshi appreciated the strengthening ties between the two countries and said Ethiopia is one of Africa's fastest growing economies and offers significant opportunity for Pakistani businesses seeking to explore new markets. The ICCI President assured the ambassador of his full support in further strengthening the bilateral trade relations between the two countries. The discussions further explored avenues for cooperation in agriculture, trade and commerce, aviation, connectivity, technology, education, and skill development. President Qureshi noted that Pakistan's industrial strengths and strategic location complement Ethiopia's role as a gateway to Africa, creating a solid foundation for mutual beneficial partnerships. He said the ICCI would extend full support to the Ethiopian embassy and other stakeholders to ensure the single country exhibition in Addis Ababa is successful. The meeting was also attended by former ICCI President Zahid Makbul, former Senior Vice President Khalid Chaudhry, Executive Member Mohsen Khalid Malik, and Secretary General Ghulam Murtaza.